Now, folks, Antigua in the West Indies was famous for Viv Richards, Richie Richardson, Andy Roberts, Curtly Ambrose. Now it's famous for Mehul Choksi. He was caught apparently in Dominica and they want to bring him back to India, but you can't extradite him because he hasn't had the vaccine. It's called The Week That Wasn't. The week began, folks, with Monday. But I have a story. The week began with two-time Olympian medalist Sushil Kumar's arrest for alleged murder. At the time of his arrest, he and co-accused Ajay Kumar Sehrawat were wearing T-shirts. Ajay's T-shirt said, "Mercy for animals." You get the point. Sushil and others were said to have murdered a man in the hallowed Chhatrasal Stadium. I mean, it was a brawl that went horribly wrong. The worst part, Sushil was fighting in an event outside his weight category. Insensitive, I return that into my mouth. If convicted, should he return the Arjuna Award? Should he return the Padma Shri and the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna? Well, a BJP spokesperson allegedly said, yes, he must return the Arjuna, he must return the Padma Shri, but we'll let him keep the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna as long as he only refers to it as Khel Ratna in the future. Khel Ratna is allowed. Don't take the full. Apparently, Sushil insisted on the brawl being filmed to help boost his internet following. And you thought wrestlers don't have brains. So, Moderna refused Punjab's request for vaccines, saying it only dealt with the centre. Here, I thought Moderna was Punjabi for modern. Oye, Moderna! De do yaar! Ek Moderna de do yaar! Ek aage, ek piche, ho jayega! And now this week, we had Cyclone Yas. A BJP fan on the condition of anonymity said, poor Bengal. First Typhoon Mamta, now Cyclone Yas. What's next? Some other wise guy said Yas is what follows when you say Yas to Mamta. TMC meanwhile had fortified areas where Yas would have had maximum impact by simply placing BJP workers there. But Mamta had a special message for traitors who left TMC to join BJP. Please take one for the team. Health Minister wrote a stinging letter demanding an apology from Baba Ramdev, who rubbished allopathy treatment during COVID. Baba Ramdev's response was, it's a clear misunderstanding. I did not say avoid allopathy, only said avoid chowpatty. Don't want crowds there. You can't have crowds in chowpatty. And now, Sanjay Leela Bhansali has sent us this video of the week. Just to clarify, it's not the same Sanjay Leela Bhansali who made the award-winning film Savaria. This is a guy or three people, I don't know who, but that's the name given with that lovely information. Lots more coming up, but first, the headlines. Baba Ramdev calls allopathy a stupid science. Government confident vaccine situation will improve. And wrestler legend Sushil Kumar is on the mat. Also, WhatsApp government. And now, before we go into our top story, it's time for us to have a very clinical discussion. Lockdown to hai, lockdown to hoga, whatever, that's fine. But I feel we should have a plebiscite of sorts, a referendum, and decide amongst ourselves whether we should lessen the lockdown or not lessen the lockdown. So I'm going to ask the viewer right now to join me in this referendum. All those who want the lockdown lessened or at least partial lockdown so that it becomes easier for civil life to continue, raise your hands. There's a problem. I've just been told I can't see you guys. So this was a stupid idea. We should have. Why don't we think of our ideas before we come in front of the camera? You know, who designs this show? Who is that joker? Anyway, let's go to our top story. Okay, on a video that circulated on social media last week, I don't want to take the name, I'm scared. Baba Ramdev claimed that allopathy is a stupid science. Hindi mein kya bakwas science hai? And medicines such as Remdesivir, Faviflu and other drugs approved by the Drugs Controller General of India have failed to treat COVID-19 problems. Okay? Ramdev also said that lakhs of patients have died after taking allopathic medicines. Means the medicine killed them. Joining us now is alleged spokesperson for Baba Ramdev. I don't even know if they know each other, but the first name, same. Parents across the country have a lot of first names for their children, Jaisa, Kishore, Kunal, Mohit, and Baba. Baba above all. So this is Baba Ramdesivir. Ram, Baba Ram Desivir.
Lock in, lock out. Lock in, lock out. Lock in.
Ajeeb sir
Lock
performance so far. Baba ji, what are you doing? क्या कर रहे हो?
नमस्ते बालक, नमस्ते, सॉरी, नमस्ते चाचा जी। चाचा जी,
Unnecessary sir.
देखिए मैं एक नया आसन कर रहा था। लॉक इन, लॉक आउट, लॉक इन, लॉक आउट, लॉक इन, लॉक आउट।
It sounds exactly like my neighbors, you know. Every time we look in, they lock out immediately. New asan?
जी जी जी, हम इस आसन को अर्ध मुक्त लॉकडाउन आसन कहते हैं।
I'm educated, but I will ask this question. अर्ध मुक्त लॉकडाउन आसन क्या है?
जी जी, क्योंकि ये जो है, ये लॉकडाउन जो है, ये एक मजाक है।
Mazak seems to be catching. I did not understand, sir. Please explain.
मुझे पता था बेटे, मुझे पता था ये तुम्हारे इंटेलेक्चुअल लेवल के थोड़े ऊपर की बात है।
थोड़ा नहीं,
ये
बहुत।
जो हमारा लॉकडाउन है, उसमें आधे लोग लॉकडाउन का पालन कर रहे हैं, आधे फ्री घूम रहे हैं। मतलब लोग अर्ध मुक्त हैं, इसलिए अर्ध मुक्त लॉकडाउन आसन। लॉक इन, लॉक आउट, लॉक इन, लॉक आउट।
ये ब्यूटीफुल थॉट है। तो 50% फेल्ड हो गया ऑलरेडी लॉकडाउन। तो मेरी जो फिलोसफी इज गोइंग फॉरवर्ड अबाउट लेस लॉकडाउन, मोर लॉक अप. Now Baba Ramdev may have apologized for his anti-allopathy medicine statements, but what prompted him to say these things in the first place? Do you have any idea, sir?
देखिए, क्योंकि हम बिलीव करते हैं कि एलोपैथी लेना पाप है।
पाप है?
जी, पाप, सिन, सिन।
सिन? अच्छा, वो पंजाब सिंध वो नहीं, वो लगे। एलोपैथी इज अ सिन?
देखिए, अब आप दवाइयों के नाम देखिए। क्रोसिन, एजिथ्रोमाइसिन, एरिथ्रोमाइसिन, क्लेरिथोमाइसिन, कोवैक्सिन। सिन मतलब क्या है बताइए? आप बताइए। सिन मतलब पाप है ना?
Okay, so you think patients should not take allopathy medicines because their names end in sin?
वो केवल उतना ही नहीं है। वी बिलीव दैट हमारे पास ऐसी ऐसी दवाइयाँ हैं जिसमें सभी रोगों का उपचार है। वी हैव ऑल द मेडिसिन्स एंड ऑल द क्योर्स।
All the medicines, all the cures. So it is competition?
इसीलिए हमने एक नए आसन का निर्माण किया है।
एक और नया आसन? Go on, go on.
जी जी जी, आई विल शो यू। अब आपको उत्साहित है आप, मैं समझ रहा हूँ। मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको।
जी जी प्लीज, बिल्कुल।
ये ऐसे करना है, थोड़ा थूक लगाना है हाथों में, उसके बाद ऐसे 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 करके ये देखिए, ये ओह,
लवली, बट व्हाट इज दैट?
इसको कहते हैं अधिक धनमाल धंधासन।
व्हाट?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, दंडासन नहीं, धनदासन। देखिए, ये देखिए, आ गया ना धन। गिन भी सकते हैं आप इसका।
एक सेकंड, मैं ये आसान मैं खुद ट्राई करता है। कुछ नहीं। 14 years of the show, कुछ नहीं आ गया हाथ में. Let's get back to the argument against allopathic medicines, Babaji. And when I say Babaji, I mean like Baba Ji. Baba Ji called allopathic medicine a stupid science. His words.
स्टूपिड नहीं बेटे, स्टूपिड नहीं, स्टूपिड, स्टूपिड है ये जो सारे एलोपैथिक ड्रग्स हैं, वो उनको अप्रूव कौन करता है?
कौन करते हैं?
ड्रग कंट्रोलर जनरल। तो भैया, ड्रग वाले को ड्रग के बारे में पता होगा कि नहीं? दवाइयों के बारे में थोड़ी पता होगा, उसको कोई जानकारी नहीं है।
I don't even want to argue all these points with you, sir. I suppose you have your logic, and when you can do a headstand, then the thinking is different from standing upright on your feet. But my question is, who approves your medicines?
सही है।
What?
What नहीं, who?
Who?
हाँ, who? WHO, who?
What?
What नहीं, who?
Who? Who? World Health Organization. अच्छा.
No, who? We are still trying to find the answer to that question. Who approved our medicines? Who?
Just give me 5 seconds. In a career which has had so many horrible moments, please understand, sometimes even these moments are wonderful. This gives me a lot of confidence, all your words. By the way, what guarantee is there that your medicine actually works?
They will work 100%.
अच्छा, 100% guarantee, and if they don't?
ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता, लेकिन फिर भी हम गारंटी देंगे।
What guarantee, sir जी? What guarantee?
अरे गारंटी की मर गए तो फुल रिफंड, पूरा पैसा वापस।
हाँ?
लेकिन लेने खुद आना पड़ेगा।
Okay, all right. I suppose if you've Googled for a cab and you've already prepaid for the taxi, then the body can go into the cab and you can take cab. And the cab guy can minus the money और वो हिसाब करके, you'll get some profit in your pocket when the person goes home, dead or alive. So it makes perfect sense. Thank you very much. We'll move now to something which doesn't. National Health Authority Chief Executive Ram Sevak Sharma announced that the current shortage of COVID vaccines was a temporary situation. I'll quote him. Temporary situation. The NHA believes that by June, the situation will be much better. And joining us now from the NHA is alleged spokesperson Shorbajit Tejura. Yes, don't ask me how a Bengali first name and a Gujarati surname came together in this wonderful secular country, but it did. Also, the actor who will now appear has no idea about the ethnicity of the characters. This is a man filled with hatred for his fellow Indian. And I have to tell you, off the top of my head, he never bothers to look at the genesis of the character. So only the great institutions get upset and angered and they will cause polarization in the country. Ignore it and let's move on. Mr. Shorbajit Tejura.
Namaste, namaste. There is no need to call me by my full name. You can call me by my short name.
I've never heard this accent ever before in my life. Which is what?
Short for Shorbajit Tejura, shortage.
Shortage. Okay, sir. Now, what about the vaccines?
You see, shortage of vaccine is not the real problem.
You seem to be three different people already, but I thought we needed to import the vaccines.
Yes. We need to import vaccines and we are definitely doing that.
From where are you importing?
हम लंदन से इंपोर्ट करने की बहुत कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
Vaccine ko.
नहीं, आर्डर पूना वाला को.
But he'll be carrying some vaccines, right? It should be the same thing. What is the real situation, sir?
See, shortage of vaccine is not the real problem. Vaccines धीरे धीरे आ रहे हैं. Russia is also sending.
Don't mind, it sounds like it's a Gujarati Russian accent now. It's a mix of that. So you're talking about Sputnik, or rather Sputnik, the Russian vaccine. Where's the report?
Very good vaccine. Very good. We are trying to import 1 crore vaccine. Russia is also happy to give us the vaccine. But I think the deal is getting little more complicated.
Oh, how much are they asking for?
Nothing, free. Russia is saying they are willing to give the 1 crore vaccines free.
Free?
Yes, we will get 1 crore Sputnik vaccine free. Only we will have to buy 5.5 billion worth of Russian S-400 missiles in exchange. Yes.
I see. That's a pretty good negotiation if you're Russian. What about the Chinese vaccine?
China एक consignment भेज रहा है. 1 crore vaccine सिर्फ प्राइस डिसाइड हो रहा है.
Hold on, the accent has gone for a toss completely. Ladies and gentlemen, I object to this actor ever coming on the show again. Put it aside, back to the show. Are you negotiating, sir?
हाँ जी. 1 crore वैक्सीन के लिए निगोशिएशन कर रहे हैं.
And what is the price they're asking for? 1 crore vaccines का price क्या? भाव क्या है? Half a crore.
No, half of अरुणाचल प्रदेश.
Which in a way is poignant. Go on, sir.
लेकिन हमें लगता है कि वो मजाक कर रहे हैं.
Why would you think they're joking?
क्योंकि Chinese will never ask for half of anything. They will ask for half and take full. Correct?
He's not Chinese. Better check when I get home. So the Chinese vaccine is out.
नहीं. We are negotiating.
What price will you give them instead of half of Arunachal Pradesh? I mean,
BJP government is thinking of giving them half of Bengal instead.
half the accent has become Bengali. Again, it's working with what he's saying. Half of Bengal.
With Prashant Kishore thrown in free.
Half of Prashant or full. Okay. What about Pfizer?
Good vaccine. Very good vaccine, Pfizer.
So has Pfizer been able to arouse any interest amongst Indians?
See, I don't know whether Pfizer has been able to arouse any interest among Indians.
What?
But Indians have a great interest in being aroused by Pfizer. Especially if you are over 60. I have tried.
You're winking at me. How bad has this lockdown been for you, my brother? What about our own indigenous, made in India, native, homegrown solution, Desi Mal?
Of course. Our own indigenous made in India solution is good. But only if it is manufactured at Bharat Biotech and not if it is manufactured inside a cow.
The end of his career, as far as I'm concerned. Thank you very much. Have you had any jabs? I'm sure you have.
I have been trying for many days, but I have not managed as of now.
No, come on, that must be a joke. You are the National Health Authority itself and you have not been able to get a vaccine yet?
That is because I am telling you, shortage of vaccine is not the real problem.
Then what is the real problem?
Real problem is that nobody knows how to use the COVID app. That is why there is no vaccine. अरे केम तो ये TikTok कैंसर केम करवानो? I don't know.
Right. I don't want to criticize you, sir, but you started with the slide Gujarati meets Bengali, then you went towards Malayali, and then you came back towards a Baikala slant over Mumbaikar, and then suddenly became Marathi and towards the end came back to Gujarati. So in a way, your travel has been all across the country and we enjoyed it and appreciated. What a performance. We'll take a break, and when we come back, I ask you to send in your biodatas. If you can hold an accent for 5 to 10 seconds, we'll change him. We'll take a break for now. Welcome back to the week that wasn't, and people say, what new stuff do you have every week? What's the original content that you can give us week after week? It's getting a little boring and stale. I'll point it out to you. Every week something is new. This. Every week. Talk about original content. Who else has a yellow thing in his... Who? Why? All right, 21 participants of a mountain ultra marathon in northwestern China, sad story, died of extreme cold. Actually died because of the cold while running. Now there's a lesson here for all marathoners. Please don't run in these shorts. You can't protect anything. They died for God's sake. In India, you won't have children, which is a good thing, but it goes beyond that. Myanmar militia government suspended 1,25,000 teachers for opposing the coup. Now this, my friends, is a clear example of the harm uneducated people can do when they run a country. So next, obviously, they'll suspend all doctors, close all hospitals, provision stores banned, essentials gone, civil life itself disrupted. Oh, someone is learning from our lockdown. This is a very heterosexual pose for those who write in and say, why do you do that? Okay. Great news! Belarus's fascist leader Alexander Lukashenko forced a commercial plane carrying a dissident critic of his to land in the country on an obviously fake bomb threat. There was no bomb. Instead, the critic, a journalist, Roman Protasevich, was arrested. Now, how is that great news for you? Well, our government is still to do that. I was speaking to Barkha the other day. Huh? Rajdeep on the phone? Okay, all right. Let's now talk about a very sad moment in sports. That's right, IPL being cancelled, but beyond that. Sushil Kumar's arrest, folks. Sushil Kumar, arguably the greatest wrestler ever since Gama himself. He's a silver medalist, he's a bronze medalist in the Olympics. He's won every single tournament, world championships, etc. But what's going on? Is he part of a mafia? Is he a gangster? I mean, they beat a guy to death over what? Some sort of rent dispute? Let's meet his childhood coach and clear the air, understand more about this. This is the Dronacharya Award winner, KP Sehgal. He sounds like a musician come actor from olden days, but he's not. And his sparring partner, apparently his sparring partner of Sushil himself, a guy called Balbir Bloody Punia, the face of modern wrestling.
अरे यो क्या कर रहे हैं? घुटने को मोड़ना नहीं है. घुटने सारी अकल घुटने में तेरी. इसको मोड़ के सीधा खड़ा रहे. 1000 बार तेरे को बोल रहा है.
Wow. See how tough these guys are. Look at the kind of training they have. So, KP Saab, 1 second. You are a Dronacharya.
No, bhai, no. I am Brahmacharya.
No, I am not Brahmacharya. You got that wrong. No, I mean, you have won the Dronacharya Award, sir.
अरे 4 बार है.
4 बार.
और 3 साल में भाई. सुन रहा 3 साल में.
4 बार 3 साल में. That's not. I don't. That's it's a. Okay. And Bloody Ji, you are.
यो कुछ ना भाई. बावड़ी पूछे तेरे से पूछ रहे.
Why is that?
के बोलूं भाई तेरे को ये सुशील भाई को मिलने चला गया जेल और उसको वहां मिला नहीं सुशील भाई.
क्यों? Why not?
तो यो चिल्लाने लगा उधर. सुशील कुमार.
Okay. All right. So what?
बता कैसे चिल्लाया था बता.
Sushil Kumar.
यो सुन रहा भाई.
What does it say of the police?
अरे भाई पुलिस ने सोचा यो कह रही है सुशील को मार और सुशील को मार. ये बहुत बड़ा है भाई.
Okay, enough. Please, sir. KP. Isn't Sushil a role model, one of the greats, a legend to all budding wrestlers?
हाँ भाई, यस. सही कह रहा भाई. बट ये ब्लडी जो है ना, इसने अभी बहुत लंबा जाना है भाई. ये सुशील कुमार की बराबरी अभी नहीं कर सकता. इसको लॉन्ग वे है अभी.
Long way?
मैं तेरे को बताता हूँ. तू कितने साल का है भाई?
19
साल का है यो बावड़ी बूझ है. और तेरे पर किडनैपिंग के कितने केस हैं?
किडनैपिंग का एक दो
अबे जल्दी बता।
तीन, कम से कम तीन।
3 है ना। रॉबरी कितने हैं?
रॉबरी केवल 2।
स्टेशन कोई है कि ना है?
वो तो कंफर्म नहीं हुआ आपको।
अरे कहाँ ब्लडी और कहाँ सुशील भैया? नहीं आप बताओ कोई मेल है?
Okay, all right, I get what you're saying. Are you saying you are therefore very proud of Sushil Kumar?
अरे भाई ऑफ कोर्स। ओलंपिक ब्रॉन्ज, ओलंपिक सिल्वर, कॉमनवेल्थ रख के जा रहा। सुन सुशील भाई का सुन कितना उनका अचीवमेंट है। अर्जुन अवार्ड, पद्मश्री, वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप। अरे भाई एक मर्डर केस है, एक मामूली, इतनी बड़ी बात थोड़ी है यार। एक मर्डर केस है बस।
I can see your point, but you know it's not right. It's not right.
अरे भाई मैं मानता हूँ दैट्स नॉट राइट। इसीलिए तो हम रेसलिंग कम्युनिटी ने रिक्वेस्ट किया है इंडियन गवर्नमेंट को कि सुशील भैया को रिलीज कर दे 1-2 वीक के लिए, ताकि वो टोक्यो में ओलंपिक में हिस्सा ले सके।
You can't do that. What are you saying?
हाँ, एक बार वो अपना गोल्ड मेडल लेके आ गए तो फिर डाल दो उनको जेल में। फिर तब छोड़ो जब एशियन गेम है, कॉमनवेल्थ गेम है या नेशनल अवार्ड सेरेमनी है। सिंपल है भाई।
No, please stop that. It's not even funny. That's just ridiculous. That's nonsense. बकवास।
रे सुनो, इफ यू डोंट सुशील भैया, फिर ना यो है यो ब्लडी, देख रहे हो इसको लेके जा लिए।
Okay, so that's fair.
अरे क्या बात कर रहा भाई, यो ब्लडी घर है, मैं बता रहा हूँ तेरे। ए ब्लडी बता जापान किधर है, बता।
वहाँ
देखो जापान का कैपिटल क्या है, बोल ब्लडी बोल।
हांगकांग।
ओलंपिक में क्या होता है?
खाना।
सिर्फ खाना चाहिए तेरे को। अब कोई जवाब है? अब चूज कर लो, एक मर्डरर या एक बावड़ी बूच या एक मर्डरर। भाई चूज कर लो आपके हिसाब से, क्या चूज करोगे?
मर्डरर।
अरे फिर सिंपल है।
सर एक बात बताओ, आई सीन यू इन दिल्ली क्राइम, आप ही है?
चुप निकल भाई निकल, चल निकल।
हाँ, दिल्ली क्राइम, और ये कहाँ था? गुड़गांव में। ये भी गुड़गांव क्राइम, दिल्ली क्राइम आसपास में। इट्स द सेम थिंग, ट्राई स्टेट एरिया। Will Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp get banned in India? By the time you watch this, you'll probably get the result of that. In fact, I just got a WhatsApp forward. I'll just pretend to put it on and I'll tell you, yes, the ministry is saying very good chance it'll all get banned. Not from the ministry, this is the forward is saying from the ministry. उसका मतलब नहीं कि ministry का forward है. Forward never means who the person is forwarding. It's not connected. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology had given a 3-month deadline to those organizations to accept the new government guidelines for social media platforms. Let's go straight to a freedom of speech activist and get his views. He's very upset. He's gone on a hunger strike. Already lost 5 kilos. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, Article 19(1)(a) says that all citizens shall have the right to freedom of speech and expression, including right to impart and receive information and freedom to hold opinions. This is a black day in Indian democracy.
I get your passion. You can say the same thing about our show as well. Absolutely right. I understand your anxiety. Do you want to explain what you're going through, the personal feelings?
I feel like my wings are being clipped. You have gagged my mouth. You have tied my hands behind my back. And you have shackled my feet. You have put the horse before the cart. Sorry, that's the wrong phrase.
Yes, besides there's no space for horses or carts on the streets of Mumbai. Don't even get into that. But you look very upset, visibly upset.
I am very upset. This is illegal, immoral, unethical, unbelievable, and under the belt and under the covers.
Yeah, but if you're under the covers, whether you're under the belt is not, it's a moot point.
Undercover.
Undercover, okay. What are your exact issues?
Let us take Article 19(1)(a) 1 point at a time.
Go on.
As per Article 19(1)(a), all citizens have the right to express their views and opinions freely.
And you will not be able to do that.
No! How will I be able to express my opinion through fake WhatsApp, fake stories, fake date announcements?
Maybe that's not a good example.
Article 19(1)(a) also give me the right to form associations or unions.
No, but how does the ban on social media affect that right? I'm not clear.
The right to form associations or unions include my right to form useless family WhatsApp groups, building society WhatsApp groups, predicting the impending doom, ex-student Facebook groups with 50 bored men from my class, and Twitter chat groups with lonely, angry people. It is my right.
Yes, that's 80% of India and they should be thrown out, you're right. I had no idea you had such strong opinions.
And what about the right to access information?
What about the right to access information? Aap batao.
Without the right to access information, how will we hack the websites, the Facebook accounts, email addresses? How will we be able to do cyberbullying, causing physical and emotional harm to students and the kids?
Yeah, I don't like the sound of this either. I don't know.
Neither do I. Do you know that freedom of speech is not just limited to words and speech?
It's not?
It includes the freedom of speech by way of writing, pictures, videos, banners, etc., etc.
Oh, so what kind of pictures, what kind of videos, what kind of writings?
Selfies! Selfies! A world without selfies? It is a gross injustice. How will we have self-image issues? How will we have body shaming issues? How will it be done?
A world without selfies, we will have to shut the country down. I mean, forget lockdown, will be shut down after that. You're right. I share your pain. I do share your pain.
What about the pictures of holidays? Pictures of the food? Pictures of parties where you have not been invited? What happens to the fear of missing out? FOMO? What happens to your mental health?
My God, we just understood what FOMO is, my generation, and they're going to take it away. You're really right to be upset. You're very right to be upset.
I am really upset. Really upset.
So go on, how upset are you? You went. Say what you want.
I am so upset. So upset. So upset that I have changed my mind.
What?
I have changed my mind. Ban Facebook, ban Twitter, ban Instagram, ban WhatsApp, ban all social media. Ban.
Don't switch like that. You're not Sanjay Nirupam. What's going on?
But one last thing. Please bring back TikTok. I have to do some TikToks on it.
It's not the worst option. I had a future in TikTok, ladies and gentlemen. You may not know this. I had invested a lot in my characters on TikTok and it was taken away from me without checking with me. The cabinet made a decision one day and said, okay, no more TikTok. And I was left there with all that investment in TikTok. So I'm not totally against it, but I don't want to go and sound like a Desh Bhakt and say I'm pro TikTok. I'm not pro TikTok, but I'm not anti TikTok. I'm between tick and talk. So you got tick on one side, talk on the other side, I'm in the middle. I'm slightly tick and I'm slightly talk, but I'm not TikTok, if you get what I'm saying. All right, let's use it. And if you dare tell him what would happen?
Article 91, short for.
इसको ले जाना पड़ेगा वो चला गया प्रॉम्प्टर गया
What should I do on the phone? That's what I'm thinking.
Better job. This is beautiful. Beautiful, sir. Ready rolling?